What up, Wolfpack? Ow! It's your boy Sneaker Hunter, and thank everybody for pulling up last night to the live. And if you pulled up to that live and you stood to the end, you saw Rojo popped in and showed us this really cool Batmobile from Val Kilmer, and it was $20 at Target, and it comes with the Batman figure. So I figured it's raining out, not doing anything. Why not come here and see if they have it? But before that, as you can see, like I said, it's pouring out. I'm not trying to get dressed up or nothing. I'm not ruining anything that's dead stock or brand new. So I got my everyday stuff I like to wear just to be comfortable, like a plain black hoodie, gray sweats, like I said, nothing crazy. And big shout out to G-Face, the 13 King. Whenever I want to be real comfy, I throw on my playoff 13s. And let's see what they got at Target. Okay, let's see. Oh, bingo. So they do have them in stock at Target. So if you guys are interested, like Rojo told us, go to your Target, hit it up. $19.99, not bad at all. Let's see what else they got. Oh, that's pretty dope. I ain't mad at you. What's behind them? Okay. Iron Man. What? Bro, I'm not even gonna get myself in trouble. Nope. If you got kids, this is really cool. A little cool thing to grab if you have kids.
Is this your card?
They got this Hulk.
Is this your card? Okay.
It makes noise. Oh, that's cool. Let me see what's on the other side. Ooh, we got some Mario stuff. Okay, so you got my man Luigi right there. These are cool, but they're a little pricey. It's the only reason I don't grab them a lot of times. Certain stuff. Sonic. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright, anything else cool on this aisle? Nothing really. Make sure we go this Pokemon stuff. Yeah, nothing really big here on this aisle. Let's go over to the next aisle and see. Okay, we got some cars on this side right here. We'll get back to that because I want to show some. Oh, the Bulldog special. And we got here. There he is. I know Calgary's with me. Big shout out to Calgary. Oh yeah, Calgary. Let's go. We here. And oh yeah, the Bulldog special. The Ravishing Bulldog, it says right there. Bradshaw. Dusty Rose, baby. Sid Vicious with the belt. Some AEW. Oh, Adam Cole, baby. Evolution. We're going to give them a thumbs down because they're missing Ric Flair. Steel Cage. That's cool. Now, I know I got a lot of car guys that pull up or in the cars. That Hulk truck, like. This is pretty cool. Get Black Panther for you. And, oh, Loki. Let me see what else we got. Oh yeah, I thought there was one more back there. Alright, let me pull this one out front for you. Star-Lord. Oh, you know, I called him Star-Lord before by accident. It's Captain Marvel. My bad, my bad. Bugs Bunny. I'm tempted to get that one. Some cars. And don't worry, Rob, the beard. I went through it. I might have found something for you. We'll see. We'll see. So this is just some goodies they have here today at Target. I wanted to show you guys a quick little video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. And when you hunt with the pack, you never hunt alone. And as always, everybody, stay hunting and wear your shoes.